Today I want to show you how to claim your Boomplay artist profile. First things first, you want to have your music distributed to Boomplay. So find out if your distributor distributes to Boomplay. That's correct. You need to deal with a music distributor to get your songs onto any digital store. We have a list of videos on this channel talking about the various distributors and just how I generally feel about them. So make sure to check out multiple channels for a full-on overview. Now that that's out of our way, head over to this website, click access, and the next step would then be to either sign into Boomplay or sign up for Boomplay. The sign up is pretty simple and quick. Now that you have a Boomplay account, they will ask you for your artist name, and one of two things will happen. They will say, hey, aren't you one of these people who vaguely resembles the name you put in? And if you are one of those, you can select one. If you aren't, then go down to the bottom of the page and click Create a New Artist Profile. You will be presented with a form, fill everything out and take a screenshot of your Instagram, Twitter, or whatever other social media they can use to verify that this is indeed you. It makes it much easier. Once done with the form, hit submit and the rest is simply a waiting game. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing night. I'll see you soon.